Here are the best strollers of 2025. If you are shopping for a stroller, this is the video to watch. I'm Ellie. I've been making videos reviewing strollers and car seats for over a decade, and I'm here to say that unfortunately, this is my very last video. It's been an honor and a pleasure to help you figure out what baby gear is right for you and for your family. But I'm turning over the channel to my friend, Jamie Grayson. Hello, Jamie.
Hello.
Who are you?
I'm Jamie. I'm a child passenger safety technician. I've been in the industry for 20 years, which is how long we've known each other. I do speaking events all over the place. I've always been on other social media channels, but it was time to take over YouTube. The opportunity came up and we're gonna see what happens. So let's go.
And Jamie will be helping you figure out what strollers are right for you and for your family. So in this video, we're going to be going through strollers by category. We're going to be doing modular strollers, which are single strollers which turn into double strollers, and then travel strollers, and then running strollers, and finally, double strollers for your growing family. What's first up, Jamie?
First off, we're gonna start with the Mockingbird. This is a great modular single to double stroller. It's terrific, so let's take a look at it. So we're gonna start with the Mockingbird 2.0. This is a single to double. It is suitable in this setup for 6 months up to 50 pounds. Now, you can get a bassinet for it. One of my favorite things about this is because it's Mockingbird, Mockingbird doesn't make any car seats. So you can basically make a chart of car seats, throw a dart at it, and that allows you to get like any other car seat you want, get an adapter, and turn this into a travel system. So you have the ability to have your baby face you. These are also really nice buttons. Basically, you want to look for like anything that's white does something. And then this would flip around. You have the ability to have your baby face out. You have a great canopy. You have the ability to pop this out with a really good mesh panel here for airflow. One of my other favorite features about this is the fold. Typically with a modular stroller, you have triggers on the side, so it's gonna take 2 hands to fold this up. This is a one-handed fold, and it is very, very easy to do. That way, if you have a kid's hand, you're holding a kid, you can still fold your stroller up. The chassis lock is here, pops right open, and you're good to go. So this also turns into a single to a double with 2 seats, 2 car seats, bassinets. Ellie does have a full video on this stroller on the channel, so check it out. The link will be in the caption below.
The Silver Cross Wave 3 is an inline single to double stroller that includes everything in the box right from the get-go. So you have 2 seats and a bassinet and all the adapters that you need. And not only that, it is a 100-year heritage brand, so you can feel the confidence that you're going to get something of super high quality that's going to be super functional and will look great walking down the street. The UPPAbaby Vist V3 is one of the most popular strollers, and for good reason. The seat goes in both directions. You can have the baby facing you and facing the world. It comes with a sleep-safe bassinet, so you can use it from newborn. Your baby can lie perfectly asleep. It's the most safe way for your baby to sleep when they're first born. And for the V3 version, they have extra air mesh paneling on the front and on the back, and an upgraded mattress as well. But the cool thing about the Vista is that it could turn into a double stroller as well when you add a rumble seat. The Bugaboo Donkey 5 is a single to double stroller, but it's a little bit different. It doesn't go front to back, it goes front to side, like this. Let me show you. You can see it comes with a bassinet included in the mono position, only 23 inches wide, but then you remove the side luggage basket, and you open up these 3 little clips, 1, 2, 3. You pop it open, and then you take the second seat, and you can pop it in. 2 toddler seats, 2 bassinets, 2 infant car seat adapters. The seat even goes in both directions with 2 memory buttons so that you can look at your babies. The Bugaboo Kangaroo is Bugaboo's latest stroller. It's their single to double inline stroller. It starts very lovely as a single stroller. The seat can go in both directions, but then you can add a second seat to have 2 kids together. It pushes so beautifully, even in the tandem position. There's an adjustable footrest both on the second seat and on the main seat. The second seat holds up to 40 pounds, the main seat holds up to 50 pounds, and you can add a bassinet to the top with your newborn and your toddler. The Nuna Demi next is Nuna's single to double stroller. As you can see, you can add a second seat to the bottom, and the seat is nice and high. And if you even want to look at your child, what you can do is you can turn it around and the baby faces you. This is the same stroller in a different color. Something else that's really cool about Demi next is this is the only Nuna stroller that comes with or has a ride-on board on the back. The ride-on board comes included with the stroller, so if you have an older child, they can stand on the back while you push your baby.
Now we're going to talk about great travel strollers for 2025, and we're going to start with the Bugaboo Butterfly. This is the Bugaboo Butterfly. Now, Bugaboo is how I got into this business. This is one of their newer strollers. I travel a lot with my job, like I'm constantly on planes. And recently I was on a flight where 3 of these were on the same plane with me. You have the suspension and the push of a Bugaboo. Obviously it's great, nothing pushes like a Bugaboo stroller, but you have the ability to fold this up very, very, very quickly and compactly. It is really a lovely stroller. You can put a car seat on it as well if you need to make it a travel system, and it's super easy to pop up. The Butterfly, like, they absolutely nailed this product.
This is the Stokke Yoyo, formerly known as the Baby Zen Yo-Yo, and people love this stroller. It is small enough to fit in the overhead compartment of many, if not most, airplanes, and let me show you how this folds. So easy. You just push these 2 buttons on the side, go underneath, pull, and this very convenient travel strap comes on the side. So you go onto the subway in Boston, you go on the T, and then again, you pop in the overhead compartment airplane, or it goes into the trunk. You can get a bassinet for this, you can get a newborn pack for this, so it works from newborn, and you can also use this with car seat adapters to work with many compatible Maxi Cozy car seats. The UPPAbaby Minu V2 is UPPAbaby's travel stroller. It has an available snack tray, which if you fold it down, it folds with a snack tray attached. All you have to do is push right down. And there's even a little strap that you can put over your shoulder, very comfortable. This works with car seat adapters, so you can use it with an UPPAbaby car seat, like an Aria or a Mesa. It also has adapters for other types of car seats as well. There's an extendable canopy and a peekaboo window and real leather handles. The Ergobaby Metro Plus is a lightweight stroller that is newborn compliant. It has a full recline for newborn. Lower the seat, raise the calf support, and create a cocoon with a newborn nest on the side. It's small enough to go in the overhead compartment of an airplane. Let me show you. Just fold it right down and pop it into the overhead compartment or into the trunk of your car. The Nuna Travel is Nuna's travel stroller. It fits in many overhead compartments of airplanes, but the reason why you like this is because of how easy it folds. Check this out. That's it. It's so easy to just fold it down, pop in the trunk of your car. You get it even smaller when you remove the belly bar, which moves in 2 seconds. And the thing about this belly bar is that it also doubles as a car seat adapter. So if you get this with a Nuna Pippa car seat, any of the Nuna Pippa car seats, it's going to fit in perfectly with no additional adapter necessary. The Silver Cross Jet 5 is the latest and greatest version of the Silver Cross Jet. There's a lot to love about this. Number one, they made it wider and taller, so it's like very, very comfortable to push. It fits in the overhead compartment of an airplane. Look how cool the fold is. I like to put the brake on. You push down the handlebar just like that, and then all you have to do is pull this towards you, and it folds right down really, really easily. And also what you do is to make it smaller, you easily remove the belly bar. To open it back up, you just flick it right open, little latch on the side, and it opens back up. There's some also really fine detail. Again, Silver Cross is a 100-year-old heritage brand. Beautiful magnetic buckle, easily put your child in and out of the stroller. Also, this is a full recline for newborn, so you can use this right away. And underneath, people miss this a lot. Underneath the calf rest, there is a special catch that you snap to the sides to be able to make it safe for newborn.
Next up, we're going to talk about all-terrain and running strollers, and we're going to start with one of my favorite products on the market since I first got into this space, the Bumblерide Indie. Now, this is an all-terrain stroller. You can do light running, but really, really good tires, really nice suspension. In terms of material used, a lot of this fabric is made from like recycled water bottles. The plastics are made from rescued ocean plastics, so they're like very eco-forward. You've got a cork handle right here. Really, really, really nice suspension. And then the fold on this, it's very, very compact. You can put a car seat on it, you can put a bassinet, but you can use this from birth without any additional accessories, which is pretty awesome.
The Thule Urban Glide 3 is Thule's latest version of their amazing stroller. They have an extendable canopy that's super, super long. So if you're running with your baby on the beach or in a race, the child's going to be protected. Also, when you raise up the seat, it goes really, really high. A complaint that parents have a lot of the time is that kids are slouching back in their stroller, but if you're in a Thule Urban Glide 3, your kid can sit up and face the world with happiness. And also, hopefully they're happy, also to fold it down is really, really easily. What you do is you open up the secret compartment, you twist, and it folds right down. 16-inch wheels on the back, 12-inch wheels on the front. The Bobflex is one of my all-time favorite running strollers. Nice big wheels on the back, smaller wheel on the front, pushes really, really beautifully, but also, even though it's so big, it folds really small. All you have to do is squeeze right here, fold that over, pull the right back down, pop it right into your car, and then you can open it right back up. I absolutely love the UPPAbaby Ridge. It is definitely one of my favorite running strollers. It doesn't have air-filled tires. They are foam-filled but covered in rubber tires, and they just move really, really beautifully. It's so smooth. You can get an UPPAbaby bassinet to work with it, so it works with newborn. It works with a car seat adapter as well. To fold it down, you open up this compartment, you turn, and you pop it right into your trunk, so it's very portable as well, and it just pushes really, really beautifully.
Next up, we're going to talk about doubles. Now, this is a fairly standard double stroller side by side. It's the Nuna TRVL Double. It's very lightweight. It's got a really good fold. And you'll notice one seat is wider than the other, and this kind of throws people off. But the reason for that is so you can put their car seat here in the stroller to make it like a travel system for an infant with an older child. Really nice suspension. It has obviously one-handed maneuverability, and then the folds right down just like that. It's very, very easy to do. You carry it like a very wide briefcase, and then you can pop it right back open and get going.
The Bumpride Indie Twin is a great all-terrain stroller, 4 big all-terrain wheels to make it really easy to go over snow or grass or the sand or anything like that. And it's a great stroller for twins. You can add 2 bassinets. You can add 2 infant car seats to it. The seats both go back full reclining for newborn, and it pushes really, really beautifully, and it can even fit through a standard size door. So if you're looking for a double running stroller, all-terrain stroller, then the Thule Urban Glide 3 Double is a great choice. Great ergonomic handle. There's a handbrake. The seat can have a bassinet on one side and the older kid on the other side, or an infant car seat on one side and the older kid on the other side. It pushes really, really beautifully, and you can even straighten the front wheel and lock it, which is great for running. The Valco Trend Duo is a great side-by-side double stroller. It's light and it's well designed. You can see you can have a bassinet with it. You can have 2 bassinets with it. You can have 2 car seats on it. So it's ultra flexible, also very light to fold up and put into your car. The Bumpride Connect Mini will be coming out in the spring-ish of 2025, and it is the only double stroller that can fit in the overhead compartment of an airplane. How does it do it? Well, it does it because it's also the only stroller that can turn into 2 separate individual strollers. All you do is move this, and check this out. Boom. 2 mini micro strollers. They fold down super, super small, only 15 pounds, newborn compatible, and an extendable canopy. The Bumpride Connect Mini.
Okay, you're stuck with me now. We're going to thank Ellie for his many, 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 many years of service to this industry, because we're old. Follow me on all my other social platforms. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Threads, I'm doing the things. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Like and subscribe is so weird.